Hello, welcome to this short meditation designed to reduce stress. It's good to take a few moments when you're feeling the effects of stress to breathe and return to the present moment. Our minds can amplify our emotions by ruminating on past events or projecting us into the future. The past is gone and the future hasn't been created. Only in the present moment can we find peace and tranquility. Start by sitting or lying down comfortably. You don't need to be sitting on the floor cross-legged to meditate. Any comfortable position is fine. Now that you are comfortable, let's focus our attention on our breathing. Let's take 10 deep, slow breaths. Always breathe through your nose if you can. Feel your stomach rising and falling with each breath. Try to keep count of your breaths. If you become lost in thought, that's okay. Pat yourself on the back for realizing that you were lost in thought and return to your breathing. By focusing our attention on our breathing, it gives our mind a task. This is helpful because intrusive thoughts are less likely to steal our attention if our mind has direction. Let's take 10 more breaths. This time, imagine the breath filling all areas of your body like a balloon. Feel your body expanding as you inhale, and on each exhale, blow out the stress. Again, if you find yourself lost in thought, that's okay. Kindly direct your attention back to your breathing. Our minds are used to wandering, and keeping them focused on breathing takes practice. I like to say this about thoughts: let them come, let them be, let them go. Let's keep breathing. Take a few more breaths. Let each breath further relax your mind and body, exhaling stress each time. You can imagine our minds being like a sink. Thoughts are the water that comes from the faucet. If you are mindful, it's like removing the drain plug from the bottom. The thoughts simply go away. However, when we keep the drain plugged, the thoughts remain and the sink slowly fills with each additional thought. Thank you for doing this meditation. Please remember to return to the present moment whenever you feel the effects of stress. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day.